Alright, here's a pretty handy little tool. It's a little bench top wire stripper. Does up to just a little over 1/2 inch diameter wires through here. You basically take the included tools. Got a set of Allen keys here. You can adjust your input size. This is a guide into the teeth. You can adjust the wire holder here up and down. You can also adjust this for larger, smaller overall diameter wires. And it does come with bolts, so you can bolt this right down to your bench. You feed the wire through the one end, and you just crank it through. Comes out stripped on the other side. Again, it does have another guide here that you can make a minor adjustment on just to make sure the wire is pushing out in the right direction. It's got a cutter blade right there in the middle. And yeah, that is a handy little bench top wire stripper.